and all of a sudden like, there's a scratching sound.
It's also like tapping also.
tapping rhythmically.
Yes, correct. So initially we tried to debunk. You said perhaps it's squirrels, branches.
Yeah.
Then I said, how can the branches keep on falling down and actually have like some kind of like melody tap?
Yeah.
Then we know that there is not branches for sure. It wasn't windy.
No.
So the tap was like quite a long while.
Yes.
It's quite a couple of minutes long. So what we did is like we point each other. It's like, okay, you go that side, I go this side, I count of 3. We walked out, then we immediately snap photos.